Hello, welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the Alert SMS desktop. The Alert SMS desktop allows you to send SMS in multiple categories, and you can also use your SIM card as SMS gateway. As a Nigerian, if you have SMS, if you have SIM like Airtel, MTN, Glo, then you can use them as SMS gateway by using your desktop to send SMS. And you can also connect different, you can also send from SMS gateway like eBulkSMS, BulkSMS Nigeria, Tech SMS Nigeria, IP SMS. Then in this category, we also have global. You can also send from text belts. You can send from Twilio. You can send from African Stocking, Nextmo, Message Bed. Then we also have email to SMS. All right, you can send SMS via email to SMS. Then you can also, this is the device to phone, how you can send from. I'm going to be walking through three of these. So I'm going to start with the local Nigeria. All right. Now, the local Nigeria, I'm going to be walking through the eBulkSMS. So you need to register on their website. So you need to register on their website called eBulkSMS.com. So you register on their website, eBulkSMS.com. So once you register on their website, then you get your API key. All right, you get your API keys and you get your username. So once you get your API, you go to the settings here and you fill in your username. Your username is your email, then your API key, then your sender ID. Make sure you register a sender ID with them and it is approved. All right. So before I continue, I would like you to do something for me. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and you click on the bell icon so that you get notified once I drop new videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started, guys. Now, I'm going to be walking through this SMS. So once you have configured this SMS and you save the settings, then you test the connection to ensure that it is successful. So if you say connection successful, then it is okay then. So, but if you say connection failed, then it means you are missing one or two things. All right. So I'm still waiting for the connection successful. Then you can check balance. I can check my balance. I can see that it's 978. So if you go here, you can see it's 978 also. Then also you can add contacts manually. Then you can import contacts via TXT, via CSV. Then you can also add all your contacts to groups, maybe friends. You can say under friends, I have 6 contacts. So you can add groups, you can add clubs. So if you have different groups, then you can add them. Then you can just pick the group if you want to send SMS. Then this history. In the history, you can see the history here. Success field. You can see the history. Then now I'm going to be walking through how we can send SMS via the local SMS. Now here in this manual entry, I'm going to select group. I'm going to select friends. So you can see the friends have 6 this thing there. So I'm going to be opening my SMS so for you to see it so that I'm going to place it side by side so for you to see. So let's get started. So now I'm going to type a message here. I'm going to type hello, this is a test SMS from my software. All right. So I'm going to test this. So you can also schedule your SMS. If you want to schedule, then you can schedule it. Then you can send SMS. So once you send your SMS, so just wait. So you can see the progress. So just wait. It will send the SMS. They send it to 6 contacts. You can see 6 contacts. So once you finish sending, I'm showing you my screen here so that you can see if it's delivering or not. So, all right. So let's wait for the SMS to arrive. See sending 2 to 6. Okay, so you can see 50% is my network, okay? 66% here, then 83%. the 100%, so it has finished sending. All right. So I'm going to wait. You can see SMS has already sent to 5 represents one field. So if you go to your history, let's see the one that failed. So let's see the one that failed. Okay, this is a test from SMS. I think, okay, hello, okay. Hello, good day. Hello, this is a test SMS for, okay, I think they failed due to my network. So let's retry it again. So I'm going to resend it again. I'm going to resend it to the groups. I'm going to send it again. So let me send it again. So let's see if it will deliver this time. I think it was my network the other time. So let's see if it will deliver this time. All right, I think I've received, you can see it here. You can see it here, it has entered. This is a test SMS from my software. You can see one of my two numbers here. And I think this my network is delaying the, you can see hello, this is a test SMS from my software. You can see the customization of Synergy. You can see it there. Then you can see this one entered also. Hello, this is a test SMS from my SMS company, from my software. All right. So you can see that both entered. You can see both entered. So, and you can see it here. So, but it's still loading up, but due to my network, so I think that is the issue. So this is for the local. All right. So now I'm going to be, you can see success now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is sent successfully. You can see. So this is for local. All right. This is for local. So I'm going to be walking you through the I'm going to be walking you through uh the device if you want to use your SMS, your SIM as the gateway. So one thing you need to do now is that once you choose your device now, right, once you choose your device now, then you need to install an SMS, and you need to install an SMS gateway. All right, so it's free of charge, so you don't need to do anything spectacular. So if you want to do it, just install this, go to the settings. They are going to install this gateway, which is called the Tracker SMS gateway app on your phone. All right, so you need to install the tracker. So how do you install the tracker? I'm going to walk you through on my phone now. So I'm going to display my phone here so that you can see how this is being done. All right. I'm going to display it here. So now for you to install, just go to uh, Play Store, and you are going to search for Tracker SMS. All right. Tracker SMS. So you go to your Play Store and search for Tracker SMS. So you can see Tracker SMS Gateway. So I've already installed it. So you can see Tracker. So I've already installed the Tracker SMS. So this Tracker Manager. So just look for Tracker SMS. So Tracker SMS. So just look for Tracker, that is TRACCAR. All right, Tracker SMS Gateway. So I think I've changed my server, I've changed my country. So you can just search for Tracker SMS on your app store. All right, you are going to see it there, Tracker SMS. And if you can't find it, then I can provide the link to it in the description below. All right, so just install it, and I've installed it. So I'm going to go to my SMS here, my phone. I'm going to consider this Tracker SMS. And also, if you are using Tracker SMS, make sure it is a default. Make sure you set it as a default SMS. You can see Tracker SMS gateway. Make sure you set it as default SMS gateway for your app, for your phone. So you choose SMS Twilio SMS gateway as set as default. All right, make sure if you don't set as default, then you won't be able to use this. Then once you do that, now the next thing for you to do on my phone, you can see my phone here, you go to the settings, you can see this gear icon, you go to the settings here. So you see the settings here, click on gateway configuration. Gateway configuration. Once you click on gateway configuration, you click on enable service. All right, you click on enable service. Then you can see the token that is given to you. All right, you can see the token that is given to you. Make sure you use this token that is given to you. All right, make sure you use the token that is given to you, and the endpoints. You can see the endpoints that is given to you. You can see the endpoint, so you can use any of that. All right, so let me use. I think let me cancel this. So let me use 10.46.183. So you can use any of, if one doesn't go, use another one, .9. So once this is done, then click on save settings. All right, then also you need to test your connection. You can see connection successful. Now you cannot check balance here because this is for your phone. So test connection is successful. So if I should remove one thing here and save test connection. So let's see, connection is successful. So now let's put this port back. All right, save settings, test connection successful. Now the IP is the main thing. All right, the IP and the token. The token is the main thing there. The token is the main thing. Now let's select group now. Let's even send an SMS. Don't let me select group. Let me just select contacts. Let me select this one, or let me select, I think, let me select this. Okay, let me select this. So let me go to my SMS. So let's see how it works out. So just say hello, good day. All right. So let's see if this will send. It says SMS sent successfully. You can see. You can see now that it has entered. You can see that it has entered. So you can see that it has charged me. You can see hello, good day. You can see it here. Hello, good day. All right. You can see it here. So you can send bulk SMS using this type. So maybe you want to use campaign and everything. Then they charge me for SMS. So I think I was charged. Where is it? Was charged main account. Okay, I think I was charged. So they didn't tell me how much they charged. All right, so you can see that immediately it entered. All right, I'm sending it right for my desktop here. All right, let me even send it again. So for you to confirm, I'll just say my name is Ahmed. All right, I am a developer. All right, so you can send it. All right, you can say SMS successfully. You can see there. You can see they have charged me again, and the SMS has entered. You can see it there again. The SMS has entered. So let's see. You can see my name is Ahmed. I am a developer. So to use your phone number as the sender, you can see that my name is Ahmed. I am a developer. You can see what I sent. If you go to your history, you see there. All right, my name is Ahmed. I'm a developer. You can clear your history. All right, you can see sources. So you can send it from your desktop to your from phone. So it make it seamless to send bulk SMS. So if you want to send bulk SMS like this, just select your group, then blast it. And if you have there are also some bundles on MTN, Glo, Airtel that gives you SMS bundles. So you can use that advantage to send SMS in bulk. All right. So this is how you can use Olad SMS desktop application to send SMS and deliver to your inbox. So that this email to SMS also. So this email to SMS, then you can also use email to SMS. So all you need to do is just configure your email SMTP server here. All right, then you click on save settings, then test connection. If your connection is successful, then you are good to go. All right, but there are some certain countries that you can send SMS to, like the USA, Canada. You can see these are the 3 countries. So United States, then you pick your carrier, maybe very soon. You pick your carrier very soon. Then you add your numbers. All right, automatically it will convert those numbers. You can see 4 numbers will be converted to carrier email address. You can see. So if you put your SMS there, it will convert them to the carrier, so you can send it, and make sure that the SMS. If you want the SMTP server that can send email to SMS, you can contact me. You can drop your comment in the comment box, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more videos like this. Thank you very much. And if you want to get this software, there's a link below to get this software, or reach out to me so that I can set it up for you. Thank you very much, and have a lovely time.